So you did not see me add this top embellishment. I realized I forgot to set aside some sand soap, and so what I ended up doing was coming back later in the day, making another batch and pulling some soap from that to add the sand and add the embellishments to it. And it got a little bit of soda ash, if you can see, but it actually makes the sand look so much more realistic that I'm kind of totally in love with the effect and how that happened. So this fragrance was not supposed to accelerate. It most definitely started getting thick quick. So I just went with it, but let's see what we get here. Oh, okay, well, that's not bad. Like, I was trying to shove soap into the little grooves. That purple fish is a little wonky, and I think it's upside down. And you can't see it very well, but that's okay. It's also a little too close to the yellow one, but further up here. Okay, you know what? This ain't bad. So I was kind of expecting worse. I'll take it. I like the colors. So it is that blue to purple. Again, I have so much blue ocean, blue sky that I have to play with other colors. Otherwise it's too boring for me. It's the same thing over and over, and my gosh, it's so adorable. It's no fun. Like, that's just, I lose interest if that's what I had to do over and over. So I love color, so I start playing with variations. I don't know if you can see it on the screen, but the ombre is not smooth. That's okay. But there are lots of distinct hues of blue to purple, which I really like. And surprisingly, I haven't had any air gaps, which, yay. So I thought with how thick this was getting that I was gonna have some. So I will take it. This is a win. I really like it. I love the color. I love the scent too, even though it did accelerate. My brain is drawing a blank as to what scent it was. It was from Nature's Garden. Tropical Escape or something like that. I forget. I have to go look at my notes. But it's kind of a fruity, pineapple-y, very tropical scent. So yeah, there you have it. Let me know what you think.